Hi dancers, welcome. My name is NikkaNadia, and today we're going to be doing belly work and shimmy layering, a few of my favorite things. I hope you took time to warm up a little bit already because we are gonna jump into it. Let's start with the belly. Hands come down to the knees. Bend your knees and reach your hips back. Find a nice long neutral spine so we're not arched or tucked, okay, or rounded. Shoulders back, belly goes. Out, in, out, in, out. Make it as big as you can. Push, push, push. Let it drop. Get big. Keep your weight in your heels. In. Breathe natural. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. And out, out, in. Out, out, in. Don't move your back. Keep your spine still. Out, out, in. Out, out, in. In, out. Come on up. Whew. Now standing, same thing. Out, in, out, in. Keeping a neutral spine. And out, out, in. Relax, take a big breath. Let it go. In. And out. Now, jumping right into the flutter. We inhale. We exhale. At least halfway or all your breath, whatever works better for you. Then we close the epiglottis, the throat lock. Okay, it's the same muscle that you use to say ha or ha. All right? In yoga, we use this as a cleansing practice. We inhale. Exhale all your breath. Close your throat and hollow. If you want, you can engage your pelvic floor, your root block as well. So you're really containing all of your energy or your kundalini here, but don't worry if you don't know about that. We inhale. Exhale. Now, inhale. Exhale. And you're going to take your abdominals and move them at this rhythm. In, out, in, out, in, out. 1 in a 2 in a 1 in a 2 or faster if possible. So it's just a vibration. Let's rewind for a second and go to practicing just that rhythm with the abdominals. But I'm not emptying, I'm not vacuuming. So my diaphragm is still moving. Our diaphragm is our breathing muscle. Our rectus abdominis, transverse, and obliques are the core set that holds us in here, okay, and helps us function and move. So we inhale and exhale naturally. And so if we're not emptying and causing the throat lock, that means that we are going to be like panting like a dog. So like this. And you can feel the air coming in and out. But now, to make it more exciting, more magnificent, we inhale. Exhale, make your throat lock at the end or at least halfway empty, and then use that same tempo of fluttering. So we're not breathing when we do it, right? We get rid of our breath, we close our throat, then we have this vacuum because there's no air there, so we're causing suction. Inhale. Exhale. Or are we causing suction? I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to check on that. Don't take my word for it. Inhale. Once more. And relax. So now you know why it's really amazing when dancers can do this in between dancing, because you're already out of breath when you're dancing. Just stop and be able to do that is really amazing. Normally when I'm doing it, dancing, I don't even get all my breath out, and it's kind of like a smaller one. It takes a lot of work, but I know some lovely dancers who are really, really amazing at it. So now let's move along and work on the belly roll. We're going to start with our belly being in two sections. Upper, release, lower, release. So the upper four abs, right? Upper, release. Then from our pubic bone to our navel, this second part, which is often harder. We don't have as much control or strength or awareness around that part of our body, our womb, or our first and second chakras. Also, we naturally hold more weight there. We have intestines there, so it's harder to get that part in. But remember, it's not just about how much you pull in, it's about how much you pull out or push out. So we have in, release, upper, lower, and upper, lower, upper, lower, upper, lower, upper, lower. Good. Now we're going to break it down into three sections. 1, 2, 3, out. So we have in, but then out, out. In. Look how it would look different if I just went in. Then when I push out in between. It's more exciting, right? In, out. You can use your hands. I suggest doing this work on a slightly empty stomach, if not completely. Rolling down. I feel my liquid water coffee sloshing around right now. Now let's try the reverse. And make sure that you're not using your spine to make this. So it's different than using the spine. We're just doing the belly. Belly wave, belly roll. Now we're going to reverse. Bottom, middle, top, out, out, out. In, out, out, out. I don't honestly practice these too much, so it could be better. Now let's go down, up. So if this isn't happening, be patient, be compassionate, breathe, and keep trying. Eventually you will build that neural pathway. It's just about creating something new. can add little accents. In, out, in, out. So I just want you to experiment with a little bit of play with this music. A little belly dance. أيوة. And relax. Shake it out. Bounce. Let's come to our freeze shimmy. Where we're just bouncing our knees, making everything shake. Keep a neutral spine, so it's not like this, okay? Go, don't stop. Really good for us. Keep going. Faster. And now coming to a knee shimmy or Egyptian shimmy. Shake those knees. Now, push your hips side to side, working on layering. Think about stretching the space from your hip to your chest. أيوة. Push. Enjoy. We're here to have fun, do something good for ourselves. Now, we're going to come to a shimmer, which means both knees are bending, but gently. And practice belly, out, in, out, in, out. Now belly roll with it. Any shimmy you want, because this is hard. So whatever shimmy feels most natural, and you can even kind of slide from one shimmy to the next. Roll. Good. Now let's do our full body wave. Push, make it a bigger shimmy. Enjoy. Now reverse, just lower body shimmy or lower body wave reversed, going up. Good. One-legged shimmy, taking your foot behind and shimmying both. Now add a wave. Switch. Wave. Lift up. And hip circles. Egyptian hip circle. Now freestyle. Layering, shimmying, and belly work. Don't stop. Take a big breath in. Let it go. And thanks for joining. Thanks for dancing today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I see you soon.